I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Drunk oh, come on now, you all don't feel like that.
All right, back to the JJ cheap ass hot cam. It's hotter than shit. We're gonna do a quickie build overview. Ian's gonna maiden it.
Oh hell.
Hell yeah. I don't think, maybe a couple of the guys in the club have seen this. This is a campfire quads as usual. I built a ton of them. Stretched X. We got the Fox ear, you know, the typical micro blah blah blah. 600 milliwatt VTX in there because I ran out of my other ones. What am I running in this fucking thing? I forget. Oh, this one is actually running the Helio spring. Ooh. With the on Butterflight with 35 amp, blah blah blah. But these have the Oh My God hype trains on it. Very smooth. Now the Oh My Gods are only 2150, something like that. 2306 2150s. Really should be on a 6-inch bird, but and this bird will hold a 5.5. Sorry, camera's loose. I'm gonna take it off. This fucking hat's just obnoxious. Yeah, you're fine. So basically, what we got, I put some wide crap paddles on there. I don't remember what these even are. Gem Fan 5552s. I did pop test it, and it seemed really smooth. So it's not going to be breaking light speed, I don't think, but it's gonna be nice. So we're gonna go ahead and boot it up. Ian's gonna fly it, and I'll do the line of sight footage. Be right back. All right, we're running the typical indestructible quad 1300 ADC. So let's see what this piggy can do. That's just the grass. Should be smooth.
I got it. It's nicking something.
Yeah, it's the props. They're touching. It's okay. Wow. Goes faster than I thought.
That's the props. They're touching.
They are. They're touching. Wow. Yeah, I don't mind that. The props will wear down in a bit. Wow. That thing's a fuck ton faster than I thought it would be. How do you like it?
Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
Wow. Yeah, but I thought with 2150s it wouldn't be that fast. But those are some wide ass props on there. You're cutting some air big time. Oh!
It's still in the tree.
I don't care. Disarm.
It is.
Okay. Oh my God!
They said they needed some landscape.
Holy shit. I'm so glad I was recording this. This is recording, right? Look at that shit. That's balls that clank.
Dude, it fucking chopped the bit.
Look at that. Oh, that's just, where is the damn thing? Hit the motor beeper.
Right there.
Oh, there he is.
Right above us.
All right, we're gonna get that guy down. Look at that one.
I got this.
This one just flew down too. Holy shit. All right, be right back. All right, Mr. Monkey just climbed the tree. Is this working? Hi. Look at this damage. How's the bird? Unplug it before it blows up. Damn, that was awesome. Everything's perfect. Yeah. I mean, he didn't hit that hard. You cut more than you hit. All the motor. Look at that. There was not a leaf on the fucking ground for dildo here hit the tree. That is fucking intense.
Now this is impressive. Look at the props.
The props are fine. Holy Christ. Okay, guys, go buy those props if you fly Oh My Gods. Those is just, oh my God. That
props
was,
1, tree 0.
Look at that shit. That's a debris field, man.
Hell yeah. Hey, go big or go home.
So what did you think about it?
I dig it. It's a very smooth flying bird. But honestly, those props grab.
Yeah.
Coming around these corners, I didn't expect it to grab the way it did.
Now, this is what you're hearing.
Oh, yep.
There's just enough flex that I don't give a shit. They'll wear it down with time. Just need broke in like tires. Oh my God, that is hysterical. I didn't think it'd go that fast. I really didn't.
I'm done maidening your birds before Jesus Christ. Oh no, it's not gonna be that fast.
All right, we'll be right back.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! There, JJ! Don't feel like fishing.